made a comment last night.
Is that good? Take another bite.
In the morning. I was looking at homeopathic remedies, and there is one remedy for only diarrhea in the morning. But I don't know if I should ask Betsy before I give it to her. I think it was actually sulfur was the one.
You see his big sharp teeth?
I bought all those extra burrito shells, and I guess
Sharp teeth alligator?
I don't eat burrito.
What, that whole pack is empty?
That alligator. You ate him. Chompy. You ate the chompy. The one alligator. Chomp, chomp. You're a big, gigantic alligator that eats tiny little baby alligators. Yeah. Stomp, 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 stomp.
Chew what you have in your mouth.
People are Krista gets nervous that she doesn't have any friends, or like she has trouble meeting people. But it's like how I've met a lot of people is just by doing the things that you like. You meet people if you see them around enough,
That's what they say is the best way to meet friends. Do what you like to do.
And that's exactly how I've met the people that I know. It's most of the people that I know are people that I've met from the farmers markets, which is kind of funny.
I think she got a bite of foil in that bite.
Why'd you shred it down for? I think I would poop
But I've met several very nice women that I've not met otherwise from, just the food interests. Which is a fun way to meet people.
Try this stuff, it's good.
Come pull down her foil. She took a bite of it already.
Okay.
You were hungry today, huh?
Try this stuff. Try this stuff.
Come on, kids, don't take it all apart.
Try this stuff. It's good. Try it. It's a burrito shot. Isn't it chewy?
Should have had you fix some for me and it could be my lunch.
Do you want me to?
No, that's okay. Sit down. Sit down. She's watching the camera.
What are you doing?
Taking a video. There they are.
Oh.
Eating. She poses for the camera.
What does that mean? Look, it's a fire truck burrito.
You do like your hammerhead burrito?
Sasha, don't push it on her. She's doing just fine.
I see you, Sasha. I took a burrito.
It's gonna all fall apart, Maribel.
Yeah. It got on my eye. I got my eye.
Maribel,
What'd she do?
look at her nose.
Mary, she's hiding on the camera.
Let me see. She's not doing it anymore, are you?
Maribel, that's gonna hurt your eyes.
It's just so.
What?
Look.
Felix?
Look. Go.
Honey,
Felix, get off of that chair! Felix!
no.
Ow, ow.
I'm sorry.
Oh look, there's sharks in the newspaper. We were just talking about sharks.
I want to see.
The sharks are here for the taking. Page 3C.
I want to see.
See, there's a shark. Let's see what section 3C is.
No, 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 no. You don't throw that on the floor. Maribel. She's throwing egg on the floor. Stop.
Start doing it. Start taking a little video of movies and start taking a little video of Felix and Mama. Go on.
Maribel's done.
No, don't press it yet. Don't press it yet. Keep taking a video of her.